Armstrong. I have been teaching paper crafting for over 20 years. I love being creative, I love learning, and I love teaching when I learn something. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card. This is another card I've done using the Tropical Chic Bundle. I can't stop. I can't stop playing with it. I can't stop having fun with it. Make sure you watch the video throughout the end because I have some ideas for you that if you decide to purchase this bundle, you'll have some more ideas. If you like this video, will you give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. After you subscribe, you can hit the little bell and you'll know the next time I make a video and upload it to YouTube. So thanks for everything, guys. On this card, I will show you how I did all of the layering with the leaves. Tropical Chic Bundle, it is so much fun. There's so many ways to use all of these framelits and the stamps, plus all the different sentiments. I mean, it really is a super fun stamp set. As you watch this and you decide, yeah, it is pretty fun and I want it, make sure you watch until the end so that I can tell you how to get more ideas using the bundle. Let's get started. My card there. I have all my pieces cut out. I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. Using the triple banner punch to give me a little banner tail. Just going to line up the corners, punch that out. I'm going to add my dimensionals up towards the top, and you'll understand why as we assemble. Nope, no snail. I'm going to bring in my card base. I love using the Whisper White Thick. It just gives it such a good feel. It's a great cardstock to stamp on, but it's just perfect for the card base itself. I'm going to go ahead and mount my Designer Series paper to my Granny Apple Green layer. And then I've taken a piece of our burlap ribbon and I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know if y'all ever do this or not, but it's kind of, see how it's not manageable. I just put some snail on it so that it lays down. And as you can see, it's pretty sticky. It makes it behave. So I got a little bit of adhesive on my finger. I'm going to place that on the bottom. And then I've already got adhesive on there, so I'm going to wrap it around, give it a good pinch. And now I'm ready to add my snail and put this layer on. And I really like to focus on adding more adhesive right there because I have found over time the card will start to pop up and we don't want that. The card layer will pop up. I left out a word. Okay, let's have some fun with the leaves and flowers. Now, there's a lot of pieces for this card. I've already cut everything out and put the dimensionals on because we need to get to playing. So let me go ahead and add this so that we'll see where we're at as far as where to put the leaves. And I will admit, I took this card apart a couple of times because I kept looking at it. I'm like, oh, I don't like it. And it was where I had my leaves. So if you don't like yours, let me teach you a trick. If you don't like where you put something, you've used dimensionals, take your snips, go underneath and cut that dimensional, and you have saved your framelit that you cut out. Pretty cool trick. Just cut it with the snips. Okay, so we've got this. We're going to go ahead and add this leaf here. Layer that. Now this one's too skinny to layer, so we're going to add some multi-purpose glue. We're just going to add it along our middle. This one's not coming out very well. Let me grab another one. Maybe I've worn that one out today. There we go. So I mentioned at the beginning of the video that if you love this bundle and you want some ideas, I have teamed up with a group of stampers and we have like 10 to 12 project sheets for you. So how do you get them? You simply purchase the bundle from me, and all of that information is in the description below. And then, let me grab this. I will email you the PDF. Now, I will say this one thing. If you happen to be watching this video during July 20th through the 27th, 2018, I will be on a cruise ship, so I will not be able to send it to you until I return. But having all those ideas will just stretch your dollar even more because you will use that stamp set in all those ways. Plus, it's going to inspire you to come up with other ideas yourself. So, all right, my fingers are a little tacky. I think I've showed this on other videos. I like to have a little bit of hand sanitizer there, and I can use that and keep on stamping. Or in this case, keep on assembling. And we're going to add this, whoops. We're going to add this one down here. And its little mate on top. Well, I've got dimensional backing everywhere. Aren't y'all glad I put the dimensionals on first before I started the video? Because it was a lot. I was like, oh boy, this is a lot. And then we're going to take our flowers. I love these little flowers. This flower is almost like the one I'm growing. I have a plumeria, which is a Hawaiian plant. And everyone is so jealous over it because I have an indoor pool. And so that pool room is just so high humidity that that plant has just tripled in size. And it's been blooming since January. And it is now July. So, I mean, that's just crazy. So it's just really given us a lot of enjoyment, and the flowers smell heavenly. I'm gonna bring in my Share What You Love pearls. And let's see, I think I went with this darker pink. Yep. I'm gonna have to order some more of these pearls. I've been using a lot of them. I love all the different colors. Come on. Whoops. Stuck to my finger. Paper piercer. Best thing they ever came out with. I hope you enjoyed this card. Again, if you want more ideas with all the measurements and the how-tos, check out the links below, and I'll be happy to send them to you after you have placed your order. So thanks for watching. Layering those leaves just gives it a whole new life. The framelits that come with this bundle, I'm just hooked. I'm totally hooked on them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to spend it with me.